welcome back to my channel and it's me Nisha. Today I'm here to create a Diwali makeup look and all the products which I'm going to use in this product are by Maybelline. By Maybelline it's because most of the girls के पास Maybelline products होते हैं because ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल हैं एंड ईजिली अवेलेबल भी हैं इंडिया में, तो जो भी लुक मैं क्रिएट करूँगी आप ईजिली रिक्रिएट कर सकते हो. ऑल्सो दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी विद अ ट्विस्ट. आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले अ वेरी fun game. It's a never have I ever game, and for that I have here bunch of chats in which I have written already some questions and I'm going to answer them in the video, and according to my answer I'm going to create my look. So I don't have much of the products, बहुत ही limited products हैं मेरे यहाँ पे, तो इन्हीं प्रोडक्ट से जो है मैं लुक को क्रिएट करूँगी. तो जिन लोगों के पास ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं हैं, जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी मेकअप नहीं पसंद है, then this video is for you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the game first. I'm going to pick one chit and I'm going to answer that and then we'll start a makeup. Okay, this is the very last part of the video. It's about the lips. I have never ever overlined my lips. So I have never overlined my lips, even though my lips are very thin, I can say. I have never overlined it, but in this video I'll try to overline them and then we'll see it suits me or not. So first we'll start with the base makeup. I have already prepped my skin. First I'm going to start with the foundation. It's Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my shade is Natural Buff 230. I'm going to take this in my hand and then we'll start blending. And this is so my shade. Like I'm using this foundation since I think 2.5 years when I started using foundations on my face, and I have never actually changed my foundation. Next I'm going to conceal my eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and my shade is 25 medium. I make some weird faces while applying makeup. I'm going to apply a little bit here also, more, थोड़ा थोड़ा, because वहाँ पे अच्छे से लग नहीं पाया. I'm done with the concealer and now I'm going to pick another chit. Okay, it's written never have I ever tight-lined my eyes. Okay, so yes, I have tight-lined my eyes. Most of the time when I don't put eyeliner or something, I just put a kajal and tight-line my eyes. So in this video I'll later see if I have to tight-line my eyes or it will be just okay with the liner. Next I'm going to set my base with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder and my shade is Natural Buff 230. So they have given this nice cute sponge with it, so I'm going to take it in this. Okay, that is so pretty. Look at this different. I'm going to take a little more of it and then I'm going to apply some here. So my base is all set and I really like Maybelline Fit Me's base makeup. I've used them quite a lot of time and I kind of really like this kind of a base. For my eyes, I have this cute little palette. It is City Mini palette and it looks something like this. And I think it has all the shimmery shade, I guess. I've never tried this one, so we are going to try this out. So this palette looks something like this. They all are shimmery shade, and they have also given the applicator, and the applicator looks something like this. आई थिंक दिस इज़ यूजेबल, लाइक जिसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रशेस नहीं होते हैं देन दे कैन यूज़ दिस ब्रश. I was wrong actually. They have given around 5 shimmery shade and these are 2 matte shade. Let me give you a swatch. They are quite pigmented. Let me swatch some shimmer shade also. Oh my god, this is so damn pigmented. Look at this. And the last golden one. My fingers are dirty. Ugh. This is also so pretty color. Camera is not catching it. I still did not figured out what shade I'm going to use and what eye makeup I'm going to do. So let's start with a crease shade first. I'm going to take this in blending brush. And then I'm going to apply this on my crease area. This is a little bit chalky, I guess. Trust me guys, this eye makeup look is going to be really simple. Everybody can do it. So next I'm going to take this darker shade. I'm going to apply this over my eyelid. Did the same thing on the other side. Next I'm going to take this golden shade in my ring finger and then I'm going to apply in the middle of my eyelid. Just going to dab it like this. एक्चुअली ये जो शेड है काफ़ी थोड़ा मिलता जुलता है इससे, सो दैट इज़ वाई मैं थोड़ा सा लाइट शेड भी ले रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा उभर के दिख के आए मेरी आईलिड, इसलिए बहुत ही थोड़ा सा अप्लाई करना है. That's it. Next I'm going to take this lighter shade. This is shimmery shade, so I'm going to apply this with this small applicator in the inner corner of my eye. I'm taking this shade for my lower lash line. I'm going to blend this with this round shaped brush. Today I don't feel the need to tightline my eyes. Also I'm not going to apply any kajal or something. I am going to apply a liner. It is Maybelline New York Colossal Liner. I'm going to apply a wing liner. So it's been really long, I have not picked up the card, so I'm going to pick that now. So let me open this. So it's written, never have I ever color corrected my face. Okay, I have color corrected my face many a times, especially my under eyes. I do have really dark circles, so I do color correct them many a times, but today I did not do that, and today I don't feel the need of doing that, and I have already done my base makeup, so I'm not going to do that today. So we are about to finish our full face makeup, so I'm going to pick another card. Okay, so it is written, never have I ever applied a wing liner successfully on my own. Okay, I have applied successfully wing liner, and today itself I have applied a wing liner successfully because I have this Maybelline इट इज़ अ पेन लाइनर, सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू अप्लाई अ विंग लाइनर। कहीं से छूटता नहीं है, कहीं से ज़्यादा अप्लाई नहीं होता है, जितना आपको चाहिए एक्यूरेटली उतने ही अच्छे से अप्लाई हो जाता है। सो आई do successfully apply this wing liners now. Moving on to mascara. For mascara I have this Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara and it's yellow in color. It has really nice packaging. This wand is something like this. It's pretty much thin and very easy to apply. It does give nice volume to my lashes, but actually it is not uplifting my lashes, it's just giving me the coat over my lashes. Let's see how it goes. So let me pick the last card which I have here. Okay, it's written, never have I ever mixed two shades of blush. Yes, I have never done this. I have never mixed two shades of blush. So I'll do it now. So I have this very cute Chotu sa blush and it is Maybelline Fit Me blush. It is in the shade Wine. So I have here only one palette of this blush. So to mix that, I'm going to use this lipstick. It is from Maybelline and the shade is Touch of Spice. So I'm going to first apply this lipstick and blend it. I don't know how it's going to go, but let's see. I'm going to blend it with my finger. Now I'm going to apply this blush. This shade is actually really very pretty. I really like this shade of the blush. Smile and apply. This shade is so pretty and it also looks natural. I'm also going to apply over my nose a little bit. I'm going to apply actually a lot of blush because blush is the only thing which fades away very quickly. So I don't have any Maybelline highlighter with me, so I'm going to use this shade as a highlighter. So I have here two options of lipsticks and I'm confused between two. I have here two shades. First one is Rich Ruby and the other one is Touch of Spice. I don't know which one to apply. I think I will go with Touch of Spice. If I change my mind, I will apply the other one. I really don't like to overline my lips. I'll do it a little bit from here. एक बार ये वाली भी लिपस्टिक लगा के देख लेती हूँ. I think this also looks fine and मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ओवरलाइन भी किया है. This is how my makeup look turned out. I really like how it turned out. It's more of a bronze and red lip look. I think this is the full glam makeup look and I have never created such kind of a glam look, so I really like. I think this is my favorite look so far and I really like how effortlessly it turned out. Like it is so easy to recreate and yeah, that's it. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आया हो then do not forget to hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below आप लोगों को क्या लगता है ये जो मेकअप लुक मैंने क्रिएट किया है वो आप लोगों को पसंद आया या नहीं. आप लोगों के फीडबैक ज़रूर मुझे दीजिएगा कमेंट बॉक्स में और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने सारी प्रोडक्ट्स की लिंक्स दी हुई है. डू चेक इट आउट. Also, I really had so much fun filming this video. I have created this Diwali look. Do recreate and don't let this pandemic dull your energy. Have a happy and safe Diwali. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye. I love you all. Bye.